Good morning, class second, and now it's time for word meanings. So one side you can write word and other side you can write meaning. You can fold the page, okay, like this, or either you can fold the page, or what you can do, you can draw one line with the help of a scale, and one side you can write word, other side you can write meaning. So your first word is neighbor. NEIGHBOUR, neighbor. HOOD, wood, neighborhood. Okay. NEIGHBOUR, HOOD, neighborhood. Can you see it? NEIGHBOUR, HOOD, neighborhood. Okay, you can pause the video and take the screenshot, whatever you feel comfortable. And neighborhood meaning is community. COMMUNITY, COMMUNITY, community. COMMUNITY, community. Your other word is PLAYGROUND, playground. PLAYGROUND, PLAYGROUND, playground. FIELD, field. FIELD, field. It's E. Okay. FIELD, field. FIELD, field. Third number word meaning is friends. FRIENDS, FRIENDS, friends. And its meaning is mate. MATE, MATE, mate. MATE, mate. MATE, mate. Another word meaning is reply. REPLY, REPLY, rep, ly, reply. Replies meaning is answer. ANSWER, answer. ANSWER, answer. ANSWER, answer. ANSWER, answer. Fifth number meaning is quarrel. QUARREL, QUARREL, quarrel. QUARREL, quarrel. Its meaning is a heated, 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 heated. HEATED, heated. A-R-G-U-M-E-N-T. Argument. A-R-G-U-M-E-N-T. Argument. A-R-G-U-M-E-N-T. Argument. A-R-G-U-M-E-N-T. Argument. O-R or D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E-M-E-N-T. Disagreement. D-I-S dis A-R sorry A-G-R-E-E agree M-E-N-T meant. So disagreement. Once again, just look at this word meaning once again. A heated argument or disagreement. A heated, H-E-A-T-E-D, heated, A-R-G-U, argue, M-E-N-T meant, argument, O-R or, D-I-S dis, A-G-R-E-E agree, M-E-N-T meant, disagreement. Okay, let's revise the word meaning once more. Yes, so your first word meaning is neighborhood. Neighborhood. N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-H-W-D. Neighborhood. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. Community. C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. Community. Second number, P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. Playground. P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. Playground. And its meaning is field. F-I-E-L-D. Field. Third number, friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. And its meaning is mate. M-A-T-E. Mate. M-A-T-E. Mate. Fourth number word is reply. R-E-P-L-Y. 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 Reply. And the meaning of reply is answer. A-N-S-W-E-R. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. Fifth number, quarrel. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Quarrel. And its meaning is a heated, H-E-A-T-E-D. Heated, H-E-A-T-E-D. Heated. A-R-G-U. Argue. M-E-N-T meant. So together it's argument. O-R or. D-I-S dis. A-G-R-E-E agree. M-E-N-T meant. Disagreement. A heated argument or disagreement. The meaning of quarrel. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Q-U-A-R-R-E-L. Quarrel. A heated argument or disagreement. A heated argument or disagreement. Argument spelling A-R-G-U-M-E-N-T. Disagreement spelling D-I-S-A-G-R-E-E-M-E-N-T. Disagreement. A heated argument or disagreement. Yes, and now it's time for question answers. So here let's see what it's written. It's written, read the sentence and answer the question given below. Okay, read the sentence and answer the questions given below. The sentence is, did you enjoy playing here? Okay, what is the question? What is the sentence? That did you enjoy playing here? Okay, dash says this to the dash. Who said this sentence and to whom? This is your question. Who said this sentence? Did you enjoy playing here? And to whom? Just think. Think. So, Mrs. Nair. Who said this? Mrs. Nair says this to whom? To the children. Alright. Mrs. Nair, you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video. MRS, Mrs. Nair, 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 says this to the children. 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 Take screenshots. Now your next question is, what is the reply to the question? So what was the reply to this question? Means what was the answer for this question? So the reply, the reply, REPLY, reply to the question, 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 was oh yes. Oh, see how I have written O. It's written in commas, right? So you have to also write it in comma. O, OH, O. Yes, YES, yes. And then exclamatory mark. Which mark is this? It's exclamatory mark. Okay. Another question is who, WHO, who gives, GIVS, gives, the reply, REPLY. Answer, the, the children, CHILDREN, children gave, 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 the REPLY, reply. So once more, okay, read the sentence and answer the questions given below. Did you enjoy playing here? Mrs. Nair says this to the children. Who says this to the children? Mrs. Nair says this to the children. What is the reply to the question? The reply to the question was, oh yes. Oh yes. Who gives the reply? The children gave the reply. Who gave the reply? The children gave the reply. Who gave the reply? The children gave the reply. Alright, now it's time for filling the blanks. Choose the correct words from the bracket to fill in the blanks. Okay, now here are two words is given in the bracket and we have to fill it. Okay, so the Nair family lives in dash. So where this Nair family lives, it lives in, yes, it lives in Chennai. Yes, note down. Another one is the children play in the dash, in the house or playground, where that children play. Yes, they play in the playground. Okay, they play in the playground. Another is dash, Mr. Nair or Mrs. Nair come to the playground to take all the children who came to the playground. Mr. Nair came or Mrs. Nair came? Yeah, tell me, who came to the playground? Yes, Mrs. Nair. Sorry. Fourth number. The children say that it was dash, tiring or fun. So what they were having? They were having fun, right? So what is correct? Fun is correct. Alright. Take a screenshot. Take the screenshot. Alright. Yesterday I gave you to find out some hard words. Even I gave you to tell that Chennai is the capital of which state. So if you have found out, then it's good, and who don't know, then just it is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Okay, and it lies in north side. In which side? North side. Sorry, it lies in south side. Okay, south side. So these are our four directions. Here it's north, south, west, east. So it lies, means that this Chennai and Tamil Nadu, it lies in the south side. Okay. Yes. Now time for your homework. Time for your homework. So here it's written, fill in the vowels to complete these words. We have to fill vowels here. If you want, you can take a screenshot, or I'm dictating, you can write them. F dash M dash L Y. So you have to fill here vowels. Do you know what are vowels? Vowels are vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so here you have to fill it. Okay, F dash M dash I dash L Y. So what will come here? It's your homework. Now B number is P L dash Y, G R dash dash N D. What can come here? Okay, either it will come A, E, I, O, U, any alphabet from this, any of the vowel. Okay, F dash M dash L Y. B number P L dash Y G R dash dash N D. Alright, this is S dash dash. Okay, then S dash W. Alright, S dash dash S dash W. Another one is F R dash dash N D. F R dash dash N D. F R dash dash N D. Okay, once more. F dash M dash L Y. P L dash Y G R dash dash N D. S dash dash S dash W. F R dash dash N D. Now fourth number, another exercise, and what is it? Let's see. Now add E at the end of these words to form a new word. Okay. So you have to add E in these words. Right, like it's written bit, B-I-T. Okay, then you have to just add E in it. What you have to do? You have to add E in it. Like it's written fin, F-I-N, fin. Now here is dash. What will come here? E. Next is K-I-T, kit. If we will add here, what we have to add here? Yes, we have to add here E. So what will come? That I think you know. Pin, P-I-N. And if we will add here E, then how can it be pronounced? E number, R-I-P, rip, dash. Okay. R-I-D, rid, dash. Alright. You have to add E in this. And this is your homework. This exercise and this is your homework. If you want, you can take screenshots. Alright. Once more. You have to add E in it. Okay, what you have to add? You have to add E. B-I-T, bit. I can do one for you. It will come here. It can be now pronounced at bite, B-I-T-E. Same, F-I-N, fin. What can come? What will come here? You know very well. I have done one for you. You have to add only E. Another is kit, K-I-T, kit. What will come here? It's kit, okay? It's T. What will come here? And how can it be pronounced then? P-I-N, pin. Okay? P-I-N, pin. E number, R-I-P, rip. So, F number, R-I-D, rid. R-I-D, rid. Okay. This is your homework. And please learn the word meanings, question answers, exercises, that fill in the blanks. Okay. I hope you have taken a screenshot of that. Yes, good. Yes, if you want, then we can do fill in the blanks one more time. The Nair family lives in Chennai. The children play in the playground. Mrs. Nair comes to the playground to take all the children back. The children say that it was fun. Okay, once more. The Nair family lives in Chennai. The children play in the playground. Mrs. Nair comes to the playground to take all the children back. The children say that it was fun. Take the screenshot. Have taken a screenshot? Okay. It's gave, not give. It's gave. Okay. This is not give, it's gave.
Hello students, good morning. I all will be good. In previous class, you have learned numbers up to 100. Let's recall numbers 1 to 100. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Pause करना, pause.
3.
Okay, repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Pause तो करो. Pause करना.
3,
Okay, students, write homework in your notebook. Learn and write numbers 1 to 100.
Good morning, students. In previous class, you have learned numbers up to 100. In second class, we will read numbers up to 999. Okay, students, in this video, we will read numbers up to 200. Okay, students, let's start. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176,
177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी को समझ में आ गया होगा नंबर्स 101 to 200। राइट नंबर्स 101 to 200 in your notebook. Okay students? Good morning students. In previous class you have learned numbers up to 100. Now in class second we will read numbers up to 1000. Okay, in this video we will read numbers 101 to 300. Okay, let's start. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200. Okay, students. Numbers 201 to 300. 201, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 210, 211, 212, 213, 214, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221, 222, 223, 224, 225, 226, 227, 228, 229, 230, 231, 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, 237, 238, 239, 240, 241, 242, 243, 244, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250, 251, 252, 253, 254, 255, 256, 257, 258, 259, 260, 261, 262, 263, 264, 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271, 272, 273, 274, 275, 276, 277, 278, 279, 280, 281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290, 291, 292, 293, 294, 295, 296, 297, 298, 299, 300. Like this, do homework 301 to 400 in your notebook. Okay students, write homework numbers 301 to 400.
Good morning class. Student, let's start reading lesson 1. The name of the lesson is Food for Us. You shall learn about food, need of food, sources of food, basic food groups. First pause it and take a screenshot. Balanced diet. Write below each picture what it shows. First picture is, I'm pointing the picture, look at it. Look, grapes, banana, pineapple. These pictures are show fruits. Second picture, different type vegetables. Look at it, vegetables. Third, grains. Fourth picture, different type nuts. Food. Listen carefully. When you are hungry and tired, you cannot do much work. You would like to eat something, anything that people or animals eat or drink is food. Vegetables, fruits, grains, grass, milk, and nuts are all foods. We will turn the page. Needs of food. We need food when we are hungry. Food helps us to grow. Food gives us energy to work and play. Energy to work and play. Food keeps us healthy. Sources of food. There are two main sources of food: plants, animals. Food from plants. We get vegetables, fruits, cereals, and pulses from plants. Plants also give us coffee, oil, spices, nuts, etc. Vegetables. We get many vegetables from plants. Some common vegetables are cauliflower, spinach, ginger, carrots. Fruits. We get many fruits from plants: mango, orange, apple, grapes. Cereals. Cereals are the grains that are eaten. Some common cereals are wheat, maize, rice. Pulses. Pulses are seeds that can be eaten. Some common pulses are red lentil, kidney beans, Bengal gram, coffee, tea, and sugar. Coffee, tea, and sugar are used as beverages. Some common beverages: coffee beans, tea leaves, coffee beans, tea leaves, sugar. Are coffee beans, tea leaves, sugar. Oil. The seeds of some plants give us oil. Mustard oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil. Please turn the page. Dry fruits. Some plants give us dry fruits. Some common dry fruits are cashew, groundnut, walnut. Spices. Plants also give us spices. Colf, black pepper, cardamom. Food from animals. We get milk, honey, meat and eggs from animals. Milk. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats and camels. Cheese, yogurt and ghee are prepared from milk. Milk, yogurt, ghee. Honey. Bees prepared honey from nectar. Honey. Meat, goats, hen and fish are also sources of food for us. Goat, hen, fish, eggs. Ducks and hens give us eggs to eat. Duck, hen. Basic food groups. The food we eat is called our diet. There are 3 main kinds of food groups that should be included in our diet. Bodybuilding foods. Bodybuilding foods are proteins, help us to grow. These food include soya beans, chestnuts, cashew nuts, meat. Energy giving foods. Energy giving foods or carbohydrates and fats give us energy to work, play and be active. These foods include wheat, rice, corn, egg, nuts. Protective foods. Protective foods or vitamins and minerals help us to be strong and healthy. They protect our body from illness. These foods include fruits and vegetables, milk. Balanced diet. A balanced diet has all the 3 groups of food in the right amount to keep us healthy.